Assalamu alaikum. I will show you how I designed domain for a masjid. This is a sample. I have done it before. Okay, let's go to the ground floor. First thing, I will check this one and we'll choose the construction guide display to make it more easier for us. And then we'll go to the document, circle, we'll put at the center, and we're at 2000. My dimension ArchiCad is all in millimeter. And then we'll select the line. And that's it. We'll select this line and try to multiply rotation 6. And that's it. After this, we will go to the design, select the shell tool. We'll select the geometric method and this one. And it depends on the dimension, the thickness you wanted. Mine is 10. So we'll select at the center and then to the point. And I will go to around angle 1 degree. Okay. Okay. Let's set on 3D. Here it is. Okay. We'll select this tool. Control plus E. And this one. And then again, copy this one. We'll close this area in an arc shape. Put it like this. And then we need to see this view. So we'll select the elevation tool from here to here. Okay. Increase the line to make it more bigger. And then draw a line to make it at the center. Okay. And Control plus D to move it. Okay, and we're gonna hit select elevation E. So now we can see it in elevation view. And then we'll select the fill tool. Let's select the color orange or yellow. And then we'll try to draw around this area. and then we'll select this one, copy, and paste it on the ground. We'll remove the guideline, we don't need it anymore. So here, paste. Okay, and then I have down this Hajj partner Islamic design. I have already uploaded the video, so we'll select this one, Control plus D, copy, and then I'll select the line. Okay, move it. I want to make this size of it more bigger until the center line. So I will go to the edit, reshape size, and then size. Okay, I will select from the point to the other point, and then increase. Okay, and then mirror, Control plus Shift M. Okay, and we'll try to bring it at the front. Right click, and then display order, bring it to the front. Now we see it is good, and we select this one, another Control plus Shift D. Okay, after that I will select the fill tool, and I will change the color to orange, and then I will click on my space like this, and then see, but it doesn't show me because this one is at the front, so I will try to make it at the back. So this is the back, so now I can see. And then again click on the fill tool, and then space. We keep going for all like this. And this is how it's look like. Okay, try to move it. Okay, copy and delete this one. Okay, bring this one, delete it, and then this. So we have the orange color, so we'll select this all, copy, right click, select copy, and then we're gonna go to the option, element, and then profile manager. We'll select the new one and write down, okay, and then we'll try to paste here, paste, okay, this color, okay, okay, and then save. Okay, it's already saved, so we're gonna close it. If you want to change the color, for example, we'll select this wall, and then here you're gonna change it, or before you save it you can change it, and then okay, so you're gonna go here, a wall tool, and then wall tool, and then here we have or my previous one, it was dome, and the second one now which I did it is dome 1, and then we'll select here the color. Okay, and then we'll draw over here from the one point to another point. Okay, and we try to delete the previous one. Here we have already shown. Let's go to the 3D. So here we see the shell, we're gonna delete it, and we'll move this one. Okay, this line is converted, so we'll change it to another side. Okay, rotate it. Control plus E. Okay, and then we move it. Control plus T. Increase the size. Okay, we'll try to put it at the center, so we'll move it a little bit. I'm gonna go to, now this is adjusted the size, so we'll go to the ground floor. We can't see it because of the height, and then we'll select the shell tool, I mean this one, and Control plus E shift, and then increase the size of it until the digit part, and then here we go. So now we're gonna go to the design, solid element oppression. We'll select this one, the shell, target one, the second one, add as operator, and subtract it and skip. Now we can see until we hide this one. So You're gonna go to the option element layers. I have the previous one, this one, but I'm gonna delete it and create another one. Okay, new 3D cutting element. Okay, say okay, and then we select the front one, the wall, and adjust it as 3D cutting element. The option layer, close this one, then select this one with the edges part, and we're gonna go to the file, libraries and object, and save it as object. I will save it as a domain. Whether I'm okay with it or not, and I will say okay. It depends on which color you want it. So I'm okay with this colors. So let's go to the ground floor. And then I will go to the object, tools, and gonna show me the domain 1, domain 2. This is my previous one, and this is now what I did it. I'll select OK. I'll press here 1. Control. I'll select from here to make it more double. Copy. So with the point over here, and have another one, also another one here, and then again here, and also over here, and here we go. Delete this one. Okay, we'll see. I can delete this one. I don't need it. So I can see here how it look like. And then we'll select the object tool, and then we will go to the basics and furnitures, building construction, and then special construction, basic shapes, and then I will select, there's a couple of things, so I will select cylinder, and then okay. So I know the ratio of this circle, so which is 2000. I'll increase it to 2000, and then I will move it to the center. Control plus T, and here we are. We are done. Move it down, and here it is complete now. Similar to this one. Also, if you want to insert anything inside, like a domain, for example, we will select object tool, and here we have a domain. Okay. We'll consider as it is 1900. Okay. And then close this. Done, and yeah, select the color, or maybe red or anything. So it is inside, as we see, shows it is covered. Gonna go to the settings, service. Okay. And if you have any questions, just comment below. And thank you for watching.